How to change profile picture on Facebook. What is up everybody? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily change your profile picture on Facebook. So let's just dive right in. Open up your Facebook application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. After this, you can head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon directly right besides what's on your mind, or you can tap on the menu icon first and then tap on your profile banner to head over to your profile. After this, you'll find your profile picture icon. If you haven't added any profile picture, you can tap on it to directly add, or if you have added your profile picture, you can tap on it and you could choose a profile picture. So just tap on it and your gallery will open up. Now, if you want to select other pictures from your gallery, you can tap on the drop down and you can select different kind of folders from your gallery. Let's say if I just head over to this folder called wallpapers, it will just get me all of these pictures. I can select any one of them. So let's say if I select this one right here, I'm gonna have an option to adjust it. And if you want to share this to your newsfeed and let your friends know that you've updated your profile picture, make sure to turn this option on. Don't forget to tap on the save option. You could also add a frame if you want. If you tap on add, you'll find different kind of profile frames like this. I'm not going to do that right now, so just tap on the save option. You could also adjust the privacy of your posts. So since my profile is a professional account, there is no option to hide it, but if you have a personal account, you could change the privacy to only me as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically upload your profile picture and change it on Facebook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.